Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Boho Travelogue. Today we are exploring one of Japan's most iconic historical landmarks, Nagoya Castle, and the beautifully restored Honmaru Palace. Get ready for a journey through centuries of samurai history, architectural elegance, and stunning scenery right in the heart of Nagoya. We started our journey from Nagoya subway station. It's super convenient. Just a few steps from exit number 7 and you are already feel the calm of nature blending with history. Not far from the station, we spotted this Nagoya monument, a sign that we are on the right path. From here, we took the scenic route, walking alongside the castle moat. It's peaceful and quiet, with a great view of the surrounding stone walls and trees. You can already sense the scale of what lies ahead. Looking to explore the beautiful land of rising sun? Don't worry about the transportation because you can easily purchase the Japan Rail Pass with just one click. Check out the description box below to get started on your adventure. As we reached the main entrance, the first thing that strikes you is the massive scale of the gate and the wide pathways. Entry cost 500 yen and it's well worth it. If you plan to visit multiple sites in Nagoya, there also a combo ticket you can check out. Just past the entrance, you will spot the statue of Kato Kayomasa, one of the 3 legendary samurai lords who helped design and construct Nagoya Castle in the early 1600s. One of Nagoya Castle's defining features, these massive stone walls, built with no mortar at all. Each rock was carefully cut and placed using a technique called Nozuru-zumi, locking together like a puzzle. The steep slope design isn't just for show. It was engineered to resist earthquakes and stop enemy climbers. A brilliant blend of strength, skill, and samurai strategy. First up was the Honmaru Palace, a stunning reconstruction of the original that was destroyed during World War II. What you see today is a faithful wooden restoration, and it's nothing short of majestic. Like most traditional Japanese palaces, you were required to take your shoes off, and the moment your feet touch the hinoki cypress floors, you start to feel the elegance and simplicity that defines Edo period architecture. We began in the Joraku-no-ma, the most important room in this palace. This was where the shogun would receive high-ranking guests and lords, and everything about it is designed to showcase power, wealth, and authority. Take a look at these screen paintings. covered in gold leaf and painted with bold image of tigers and leopards. These were not just for decoration, they were symbolic. The tigers represent strength, while the pine tree and bamboo spoke of longevity and resilience. As we moved from room to room, each space became more intimate and personal. The design follows a strict social hierarchy, from grand audience halls to smaller, humbler rooms for daily living and rest. The sliding doors or fushuma aren't just walls, they are work of art. Every room is surrounded by carefully painted scenes of nature, pine forests, birds in flight, gentle rivers, all reflecting the season and theme of harmony with nature. The original Honmaru Palace was completed in 1615 but was sadly lost during the air raids of 1945. What you see today is incredibly detailed reconstruction completed in 2018 using traditional materials and methods. It took over a decade to build and it shows. It's a rare chance to experience what a real samurai palace looked and felt like, not through a glass display, but by physical walking through it, just like a retainer or daimyo might have centuries ago. After Honmaru Palace, we wandered through the castle grounds. Even though the main keep is currently closed for restoration, the sheer presence of it towering over the moat is breathtaking. Nagoya Castle was originally built in 1612 under orders of Tokugawa Ieyasu to secure the strategic Tokaido route between Kyoto and Edo. It played a major role during the Edo period, but like many other historical buildings, it was lost to air raids during World War II. Reconstruction began in 1959 and efforts have continued to preserve its legacy. Today, Nagoya Castle stands as a symbol of the city's resilience and cultural pride. If you are planning a visit, we recommend setting aside 2 to 3 hours to really soak in the atmosphere. Try to come early to avoid crowds and wear comfortable shoes. You will do a lot of walking. Thanks for coming along with us to Nagoya Castle and Honmaru Palace. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel stories and drop a comment if you have been here or plan to visit. Until next time, keep exploring.